Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your upside down camera on an Android. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and tap and hold on your camera application, or you could simply head into your settings and then go into apps and then look for your camera application. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and try to force stop your application and then try to open it again. If that also doesn't work, what you want to try to do is simply go ahead and check if it is your orientation lock that is causing this problem up over here. Make sure that your orientation lock is going to be turned on or off. That way you can simply go ahead and auto rotate it just like that. And the final thing you want to try to do is going to be by restarting your iPhone or restarting your Android. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.